to the pandemic tonight and the vaccine mandate in effect in New Jersey. Starting today, all state workers, including those in schools and colleges, must be vaccinated against COVID or agree to weekly testing. CBS 2's Meg Baker with the details.
Elementary school students in Clark ran outside to their parents after the bell rang. All employees of New Jersey schools, both public and private, must now be fully vaccinated or submit to weekly testing.
I mean, I was feeling pretty, safe to begin with, but I would prefer for them to be vaccinated.
I think it's a positive thing for everybody. It's just really a public safety issue.
Sean Spiller is the president of the New Jersey Education Association, the state's largest teachers union.
Upwards of 80% of educators nationwide are vaccinated, so we think ours is going to be, along those lines, maybe even a little higher, hopefully. And we've got to make sure we're in safe spaces for our students and our staff. Right from the start, we've said we're going to follow the science.
Dr. Perry Halkitis with Rutgers School of Public Health says the mandate better protects vulnerable, unvaccinated young children against lifetime effects of the virus.
There's a study out of Israel that shows very clearly that long COVID in children is extremely problematic. So the best thing we can do for our children is to prevent them from getting COVID.
Districts are coordinating weekly testing for those who don't get the shot. All state employees must also be fully vaccinated. That's more than 70,000 people.
We still think it's right to have the testing option. The testing piece, if you're working from home, is not enforced until you come into the office. But we do expect folks to be vaccinated, and when they come in, if they're not vaccinated for whatever reason, then they're going to have to start doing the testing regime.
Despite having a testing option, protesters stood outside the State House holding signs that read, "My body, my choice."
I don't believe that the government has a right to mandate any medical procedure on any person.
Health experts stress vaccination is the best weapon we have. More than 27,000 people have died from COVID-19 in the state. In Clark, New Jersey, Meg Baker, CBS 2 News.
And masks are still required in schools and inside state buildings in New Jersey.